Listen to the sound here in my heart, a melody I've started but can't complete. Listen, look, the sound of this rhythm, it's only beginning to find relief. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you own this
Nakaupo ako eh.
Listen, I'm no longer the closer. I'm not at home in my own home. I'm not
Hello? Hello? Hello?
trying to see what's on my mind.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
You should have known that I'm done believing in you. You don't know what I mean.
Sandali! Sandali! Sandali!
You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than one. You may have me. I followed the voice you gave to me. But now I'm gonna find my own.
Ako naman, Stitch version. Okay. Alexan?
You should have listened from the sound from the rhythm. I'm only beginning to find relief. All the time has come for my dreams to be heard. Now my baby's singing outside into your world. I'll give you what they say. I am alone, quite wrong. I'm not at home in my own home.
Dinested Beyonce na namalat.
As I try to say what's on my mind, you should have known now. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm out and
Lobat na.
wild.
Kasi ikaw kasi kumanta kaya nalobat na eh. Paano ba ito i-post? Paano ba ito? Nasa Thailand po kami yung mga nasa Pilipinas kita nasa Thailand po kami. Hindi pwede. Tapos ka na, tapos ka na. Ito naman yung...
Ulit mo.